How to transfer a signal from old to new phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, download and install the latest version of Signal on your new phone. And after that, you can easily navigate to Signal on your old phone and then go to Settings. And then you have to simply select the chats and media and then chat backup. You need to enable backup and note down the 30-digit passphrase soon. Then tap create backup and wait for the process to complete. Once you have done that, you simply need to transfer the backup file on the new phone. And once you do that, you need to simply restore that backup file on the new phone. Once you have done that, you will successfully transfer signal from old to new phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.